Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing VPN app that offers global coverage with fast and secure servers across America, Europe, and Asia. It's called Bamboo VPN. If you're looking for a VPN that's free, easy to use, and doesn't compromise your privacy, this might be the one for you. So let's jump right in. Bamboo VPN comes with a global VPN network, and you can connect to servers in multiple countries with just one tap. Whether you're streaming, browsing, or just want to stay anonymous, this app's got you covered. Why choose Bamboo VPN? Large number of global servers with unlimited bandwidth. Works over Wi-Fi, 5G, LTE 4G, and even 3G. No usage time limits and no restrictions. Simple and clean interface, perfect for beginners. Zero logs policy, keeping your activity completely private. No unnecessary permissions required. And the best part, most of these features are absolutely free. Now let's set it up. 1. Go to the Play Store. Open your device's Play Store and type Bamboo VPN in the search bar. Once you find it, tap Install. 2. Launch the app. After installation, open the app. You'll land on the homepage where you'll see a large Start button at the top. 3. Select a server. Tap the flag or server icon to see the list of available server options. Basic servers. These are free to use, but may be slower depending on your location. Fast servers. Totally free, but you'll need to watch a short ad to unlock access. Great speeds and more country options. Premium servers. These are paid options with ultra-fast speeds and more stable connections. You can start with a 3-day trial or choose a monthly or annual plan. 4. Connect. Once you've selected your desired server, return to the home screen and tap the Start button. In just a few seconds, you'll be connected to a secure internet connection. 5. Verify connection. Tap the location icon to check if your IP and location have changed. That confirms your VPN is working perfectly. And that's it. You're now connected to one of the fastest and most secure VPNs out there. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more VPN tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay secure online.